Hello, the chapter I was given was chapter 14, Injury Prevention and Safety. And the lesson I chose was fire safety. The scope, standard, and objective I used was NHES 1 and 7. I will follow safety rules for home and school. And the first grade objective I used was show how to stop, drop, and roll. A summary of my lesson is, first I will read the story Fire Truck Adventure. Then I will ask the students to share out one way the story talked about being safe during a fire. Then lastly, students will as a class practice what to do during a real fire by having a fire drill. Students will go through the steps as a class and practice the stop, drop, and roll method. The assessment I chose was a performance assessment, and how the students will be assessed is by practicing what to do in a real fire by doing a fire drill. During this assessment, students will go through the steps such as following your teacher, taking attendance, leaving the school, practicing stop, drop, and roll if your clothes are on fire, and much more. An example I might see when reading the story, The Fire Truck Adventure, is once I read the story, then I will ask the students to share out one way the story talked about being safe during a fire. One of my students, like John, may say, they went to a safe place away from their house.